Hey everybody, I got me a package and I did cut it open this time with my scissors. It just came. It is Saturday after Thanksgiving and I just want you to see this good old post office delivery here. 11/16 Priority 2-day mail. So I want to give a shout out to the U.S. Postal Service for their 2-day delivery, because I know that the Karks family sent this to me. What is today? The 20? It's 2 days after Thanksgiving. And here it is 7 or 8 days later, and it finally got here. Expected delivery day 11/19. Well, let me just tell you, they failed on that one. I've had that issue. I've ordered stuff here lately, and I still haven't received it either. So, I don't know what's up with the post office, but they're not doing a very good job. So, this was the 2 little girls in New York, and I sent them the 2 paintings, and I did I posted the video on Facebook of them opening that up, and that was really, really cool. And they have sent me something back. So I'm going to open it now. But the last package I opened with one hand, it didn't go very well. It took forever. So I wanted to make it a little bit more simplified. I do have scissors with me on the floor here in case I need them. So thank you, Sandra. And I'm gonna take my right hand since I'm right-handed. That'll be much easier for me to do. Dear Sandra, thank you very much for the beautiful paintings that you painted for Anastasia and Isabella. My girls have watched you on YouTube for some time, and you have inspired them to create beautiful paintings. You're a great artist, strong Christian woman who has a beautiful family and is truly blessed. With the help of my girls and husband, we came up with a few things we wanted to make for you. We hope you enjoy them. Keep doing what you're doing. Hold your head high and smile, because we all love you. Enjoy your Thanksgiving. May God bless you, Greg, and your family. Love, friends forever. Jen, Anna, Tatey, and John. And I apologize because I didn't know that there was a smaller sibling when I sent that package, or I would have sent something for the younger one. So I apologize for that. Thank you for supporting my small business. Annabella Boutique Creations. All right. To Sandra Lett. I've got 2 more cards. So that was from Jen, their mom, I think. And this one, hi Sandra, thank you so much for the butterfly painting. Purple is my favorite color. Love, Isabella. She has great handwriting. Thank you, Isabella. And I think they call her Anastasia instead of Anastasia. Of course, I'm Southern, so I'm pronouncing it Anastasia because that's my Southern twang, probably. Thank you for the painting. I hung it up where everyone can see it. Everyone in my family loves it. Love, Anna. We will send you something back. And what's your favorite animal? So, my favorite animal of all times are cats. I'm a cat lover. Truly. Just to prove it, there she is right there. That's Tinkerbell. That's my favorite cat. Now, as far as wild animals, or, you know, that live in the wild, I love monkeys. I love lions. I love beautiful birds. I've got so many things I love. So let's see what this is here. I need to go back to my right hand. I'm so used to doing everything right-handed. I just have no motor skills with my left hand at all. This is a tumbler. I can tell by the way it feels. Oh, how cool. Currituck 20-ounce tumbler. It's all sparkly, beautiful colors. I love purples and blues and all the peacocky colors. So it says Sandra on it. I do have my scissors. Where are they? I just can't do everything one-handed. That's my problem. That's beautiful. So it's got a cross on it. That is so beautiful. That is just gorgeous. So my name is like, it's kind of like that shift colored paint that we sometimes use in our pours. So it changes colors, which is really cool. I love that. That is so pretty. Thank you, Jen. And then I think I see some paintings or something. I'm not sure what I see. Let's see what it is. I'm not sure. Okay. It's going to require some cutting again. Maybe I can do it this way. I still got a little piece. My hands are so sore. I have scrubbed floors at my house to get paint off the floors. I have worked so hard. I have my brother-in-law staying with us over the weekend for Thanksgiving. My son and his girlfriend are coming for dinner today because they were out of town over Thanksgiving. So I'm cooking a Thanksgiving meal today while I'm opening my presents. 12 by 12, 11, 2018, Jennifer Kark, Spider-Man Fun, Sandra, Happy Painting Forever Friends, Jen, Anna, and Isla. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Look at that. It's a nice deep canvas. I think it's like metallic-y underneath there. The green. There's a bright green and it looks a little bit metallic-y. And it's got all these pretty purple flowers, purples and reds. And that is so beautiful. How gorgeous. And it's got, I'm pretty sure it's got a resin coating on the top. I think it's resin. I don't know, but it looks like resin. It's super shiny. You can see my reflection in it. That is really, really beautiful. That's so gorgeous, and I love the bright emerald green background. That is beautiful. So thank you so much to the Karks family for returning a gift to me. That you did not have to do that. But I just want to say a huge thank you. I am grateful. It just makes my heart so happy to meet people, even the people I've never met before, through YouTube and through Facebook, and to start relationships with people like this. This is so really cool, and I'm hoping that one day they can pass through North Carolina and come to my studio and we can all do a painting together of some sort. That would be so much fun. And my husband is actually from upstate New York. His sister still lives there, and we hope to go there in the next few months. And I know that this family lives in New York, so we may just have to stop and see them. So thank you so much, Karks family. I appreciate it. It's beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm blown away with how beautiful it is. That is just truly wonderful. I appreciate your generosity, and thank you for being a fan of mine and for watching, and I'll be looking at your videos too. Thanks again. Y'all have a great day. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and happy holidays. Bye-bye.